Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn to use the extremely powerful dated if formula. Well, this formula allows you to calculate differences interval between two dates based on days, months, years, year days, year months, and month days. So since this would involve a lot of speaking, so I kind of cut it down by mentioning what these means over here. So D means days between two days, M means months between two dates, Y means years between two dates, and YD means days between the days between the dates as if the dates were in the same year. And YM means month between the dates as if the dates were in the same year. And MD means days between two dates as if the days were in the same month and year. So I have already done this for you, and let me do it for you once, and the rest is self-explanatory. Is equal to dated if is equal to DATE bracket open, and it says the first date, comma, the second date, comma, and your condition. See, and you get your answer. The second one is the difference in months. So you, instead of typing the D, I typed in the M. Over here, I typed in the Y. The rest, everything remains same. Beautiful formula. Excel is trying to deprecate it and is trying to bring something new, but I did not find it over here. So it still can be used, though when you try to use it, it will not show in the formula list, but it can still work like we did over here. All right. Amazingly powerful formula. Amazingly, try using it. So this is how you use the dated if formula in Excel. See you in the next video.